Still out in San Clemente, we got an Adidas Outlet. 60% off duffel bags apparently. They got a ton of, what are these things called? Track jackets? Is that Mexican? The Mexican colors or Italian colors? I don't know. 80 bucks, 40% off. Got the matching pants as well. This kind of looks like Germany. I don't think they're official, like country ones, but they look like it. All kinds of soccer jerseys. Right here, Juventus. We got, what's that, Club America. Club America. Another one. I don't know who this is. Is that Liverpool? I don't know. People are going to be like, what the hell? No. Is that Munich? Munich FC? I don't know. But yeah, I think they're all $40. They got a $70 section right here. And they do have a bunch of these Evo SLs. $100, $100, and $100 right here. These are so freaking comfy and responsive. Boston 12s, which they're alright. They're not as comfy. I'd rather pay 20 for those, 20 more for those. And of course, we gotta go see what's up with the back wall where you get 60% off. They haven't been as exciting as they've been in the past. Got some interesting material. Handball Especials right here, 75. Remember, 60% off, so not bad. 90, $9.99, so $40. $40 for Ultra Boost 5X right here. These are women's 10, so size 9 men's. Holy fuck. Wait. Should I get these for my kiddo? Size 9 men's, $40. $40 for Ultra Boost. He's awful with white shoes though. I'm not getting them only because they're way too white. Ultra Boost 1.0 is $125. Smaller size though. Got a couple of them. What are these? What are these called? The Retro Peas? Is that what these are called? I don't remember. Yeah, the Retro Peas. Super comfortable. 85. Just a big heel to toe drop. This is Rivalries Forums. Break Stars. Break Start Lows, which are some generic ones. They look alright, $50. Ooh, what's up with these? 10.5 men's. I have one very similar to these already at home. 120, 60% off. It's a women's? Is it a women's 10.5? Women's 10.5? 9.5 men's? Yeah, 10.5 women, size 9.5 men's. Got superstars right here. Interesting colorway, $80, no discounts. ID0 S. Ow. Ooh, that just poked me. The hell, $80. Oh, they got more of these 1.0s in a really small size, 120. With the white midsole. Right here is just different, $125. There's still plenty of you guys that do like the Ultra Boost. It's not as soft as some of the newer stuff, but I still think they're comfy enough. Kids basketball shoes, $65, which are Nova Infinities. What are these? The handball specials in a huge size, 80. Oh, so that's the men's and women's over there, and then this side not included in the promo. In the aisles, we do got some AE2s, 50 off. This one down to $60 freaking dollars. Holy crap. Varden 10s right here. On issue 7s. Got all kinds of cleats, different price points. Got $90 ones right here, $60 ones right there. Kinds of generic shoes on this side. Pretty decent selection, better than most other Adidas outlets, but yeah, a lot of generic stuff right here. I do got these Ultra Boosts for $110, but just see that one pair for what was it, $125 or $110, had 60 off. Just didn't have a box, but who cares about a box for 60% off? I do got some smaller discounts on these superstars. No discounts on these. $50 for campus. Campus Volks right here. Campuses for $50. Not too bad if that's your jam right there. And then in the women's section over here, see some interesting sambas with like interesting textures like pony hair, faux pony hair. Nubuck ones right here. Just buck leather on sale. Gazelles, superstars. This is all different, but not too bad. Not too bad though. I'm just not a fan of these triple midsole ones right here. Then they got the Japans, multiple colorways. Then of course more and more generics, tons of generics. They do got these under $100. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway right here, not bad. Boston 12s. These are definitely not Boston 12s, because I see Boston 12 boxes. $100, not bad. I've seen them at the retail shops for that much. Actually, one of the better Adidas trips, to be honest. They actually have a Vans outlet, that's kind of cool. And the lids, I don't think this is an outlet though. And they have a carnival here as well, all kinds of carnival food and stuff, kind of cool. I don't have time for that though. Chill area for the kiddos to play cornhole, is that what that's called? Fabletics, 70% off. 70% off, 50% off store-wide, 70% off clearance. Is kind of crazy. Never been to this store, New Balance factory store, where they got 30%, what the hell, 30%? Never seen no 30%. All right, it's been a minute since we've seen 30% off of clearance items. That includes everything off the back wall. And everything is marked with the yellow tag. Starting in the men's 90, 60s right here, $100. 160 for these. 740s right here, $80 for these bad boys right here. 100 for these 90, 60s. Another one right here. These are going for 130. Smaller size 990s right here, 130. I think these, yeah, 7.5s, $100 for these 990s. $50 for these 550s right here, 50 freaking bucks, so $35 after savings. Or 71, 50. If you look at the boxes, red boxes usually means performance, mostly running shoes, and then the gray ones are usually lifestyle shoes. 2002 Rs, 80. That's a dope colorway, dude. 80 minus 30 off of these bad boys. Those would just get hella dirty for me super quick. 130. Did I show these already? I like this colorway too. 480s, 80. 237, $70. What is this? T5, $160. And then, what is this? What's J-Hound? 2002 Rs. Right here, it is a size 6 men's. So 6 men's, 7.5 women's. Trying to see, 130 for J-Hound. Collab right here. Holy crap. This would fit a bunch of the women out there. Hella solid. I don't think it's really special, to be really honest. It does have that right there, but not crazy. The men's section, I just see a bunch of 880s, 860s, 100 for those. Men's section, you see all the boxes are gray. Women's section, you can see majority are red. Such a stark difference. But they still do have some casual shoes right here, $100 for these 574s. I still don't know why there's two of them, but super long hair suede. I like those. Some regular suede ones right here, $70. Got some super blingy ones right here. What these go for? $80. Super complete trainers, $180. They got them multiple sizes, bigger size right here. Fuel Cell Walker Elites. If you're an elite walker, $145. Super Comp Trainers, $160. Fuel Cell Rebels, $130. Damn, I don't see no 1080s, no. What are those Fresh From Moors? I see none of that. What the hell? Yeah, they got plenty of different things here. Solid, decent prices, not solid, decent prices. And those of you guys that have been watching my videos, y'all know that there's a ton of the yellow tagged items out in Camarillo, but we don't see too many here. Do see these 860s go for $70. Got another one right here. But pretty much everything else, buy one, get one, 50% off. Do have a few things that are excluded from promo. I did miss these with the RC42s. A couple different colorways, 30 off. And then you got 990s right here for $70. A couple of different colorways. That's pretty much about it for clearance items. But even at BOGO, 50% off, not too bad because these retail for close to 200, so not too bad. Then in the women's section, of course, I'm looking for 30% off items. And we got these 327s, a fuel cell Super Compa Elites. That's actually really nice. That's like under $100. I got trainers right here, Super Comp trainers, 860s right here. That lady's trying on like 18 different pairs, and she's not sure if she wants one. I know people have to do that, but I would just be so annoyed. That's all I'm remembering. She's right there. It's just funny. And in grade school, these are 2 clearance pairs right here. And I think that's it, you guys. I think that's it. I don't know how long this is. Maybe I'll go somewhere else. I don't know. Hitting a couple of these up in the valley. See what's going on in the men's sneaker section. I've not been here in a few weeks. You got these in a size, what is that, size 7? Size 7 grade school / men's Puma La France. I don't like the color, but I like the material. It's like canvas material and stuff. See if these have gone down in price. Nope. Clippers down to 21. Project Rock 7.5, $26. Apparently Project Rock not moving. Size 9 section, I believe, $90 for Shocks. Donovan Mitchell's, I'm already in the size 10.5. Not too much great stuff today. Was it $40 for these? One of the Zig Tech stuff from Reebok, 38. Chucks, 35. What are these? One of the MB, what are these? MB4s or something? $50. 13 and above. Got some Shocks right here. Those have been going for like 90. Not really much, dude. Holy crap. Apparel, been seeing the same stuff. $15 for small Nike Lakers t-shirt. No, those are bootleg looking like a mug. They got the Nationals jerseys right here. These have been what, 20 bucks. They're the thin Nike ones. Ooh, is that a Boston jersey right here? This is a small, $30. Got another one right here. Got quite a few. It is a blank on the back. Nationals in a medium. Guardians in a large. This one's a large for 20. Dodgers t-shirt right here, New Era, $12. That's a medium. Everything that I've seen lately, I've gone to, what stores have I gone to? I've gone to Gap, I've gone to Old Navy, gone to, I don't know, I've gone to every store. American Eagle, I've gone to Hollister, I've gone to everybody, and not that many, like nobody has 100% cotton apparel. I don't know. No, well, shorts, my bad. Shorts. They don't have shorts, so I'm going to have to order some online. Probably pay full price. Damn. I can't believe they have Legos here. Look at this. I got the F1, the Audi team right here. What's the price? I don't know. Is it MSRP? $25? I don't even know the MSRP on these, though. What's the MSRP? They got a Groot one right here. $50. I don't know. That doesn't even seem like that great of a deal. I was so preoccupied with other stuff. I forgot to check the women's section the last Ross. What the hell? I don't want to drive all the way back there, so we'll just start with the women's over here. I was looking up random other stuff. Size 10 Air Max DNs, $90. Got them in multiple sizes, multiple colorways. Same price, $90. More of these Chucks. Is that the one we saw earlier? This one's sweet. I like that one. $40. $90 for these. Air Maxes, 90. God damn, dude, everything's 90. What are these right here? I'm so curious what these are. Some Skechers right here, Snoop Dogs or something. I don't know. These are women's. I don't know. $20. Some Gore-Tex, Nike. Pegasus, Pegasus, $80. Regular Air Max DNs, $65 at least. Dang, that's better than 90. these the Puma slides? Got Puma slides right here. These are the LaFrance clogs. Yeah, there's no... Oh, there's a price tag. $28 for those. I think that's it with the women's. We're moving over to the men's. They got some LaFrance runners going for $50. These are what, size 8 or something? Some Pegasus 10.5, 75. These women's, men's, I don't know. $80. Mellows, $50. Size 9. KD 70. Starting to see these here. I don't think I've ever seen these here before. Rejuvenate slides. These look like a size 8 or something. Size 10. Men's 10. They're going for $35. Seen plenty of those. There's some old school curries. Old school curries. Right here, $65, smaller size. They have been doing the retros. It could be a retro. $50 for the, what are these, MB3s? Skechers hoop shoes. Y'all buying Skechers hoop shoes? Think anybody's talked about them in the comment section. 30. These are the women's pairs right here. $90. Ain't nobody paying no $90 for those crazy looking shocks. Fools are tripping. Damn, dude, maybe it's a good thing I took a pause from some of these stores. 13 and I've got some of those LaFrance. Apparel section, they got so many of those U-game things and like these budget, oh yikes, soccer jerseys. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like going through everything very carefully. Yeah, I'm seeing all those budget soccer jerseys. Man, I'm done. I'm gonna buy some soap. This is what I got distracted earlier. So, charcoal soap. I've been a huge fan of these. I'm just checking out random. Look at this. Reebok. Why does Reebok have... Reebok just puts his name on everything right now, huh? Headphones. They got headphones. $13. What the hell? We know Nada could be doing that as well. What the hell? What? I've never seen that. Energizer? They got Energizers right here? What the hell? $11 for 24 pack. That's actually really freaking good. Consumer goods wise, people just aren't buying as many things, so they got like random stuff. Oh, this stuff is so good. This stuff is so freaking good. Milka, they make such good chocolate. I think it's not a U.S. brand. It's made in Germany. And food wise, Europe, like the European food, like their equivalent of FDA, they tend to be a lot more strict. So they tend to have better like real food instead of all this fake stuff in the U.S. Like these snacks right here, these are so freaking good. I'm trying to be good though. It is, what day is it right now? It's Wednesday, and I've been really good this week because the weekend's coming up, and I'm gonna get, it's gonna be bad this weekend. I'm gonna be eating and drinking too much. But I think we're done. We got Stanley Cups too. Okay.